Summer is finally here, but if you're more of a stay-at-home and do crafts type of person like me, then you're probably scouring YouTube for new ideas. In today's video, I'm going to show you some super easy and fun DIY ideas for you to try. This first idea is inspired by Minecraft and pixel art. All you're going to need is a piece of cardboard and some colors. Start by making a grid onto the cardboard, then draw the outline of a guitar. I'm using my pencil to make marks onto each square to indicate what color they need to be, then using acrylic paint pens to color it in. For lighter colors like white, you might need to add on a second layer, especially if the cardboard has a darker tone. Once you're finished coloring, use an X-Acto knife to cut it out. Be very careful around the edges and gently remove the cardboard from the guitar. This DIY is super simple and is also perfect as room decor. For the next idea, we're going to make a slug bookmark. Get a paper clip and cut a small hole onto a piece of paper. Poke the top of the paper clip through and place the paper onto a cup. Add on layers of hot glue to form the body of the slug and use 2 small pieces of metal wires for the antennas. You can color it using either acrylic paint or using acrylic paint pens. I'm coloring it pink with purple patches, but you can choose any color combination of your choice. Once you're finished coloring, remove the piece of paper and clip it onto any book you're reading to use it as a bookmark. This idea is super unique and you can customize it however you like. One of my favorite things to do is to experiment with colors. Chimiko sent me a paint and spin set that lets me do exactly that. This set comes with non-toxic washable paint and has all the colors, brushes, and materials you'll need. I'll be customizing my own turtle storage box, but this set also includes a butterfly windmill toy. Using the paint set and paintbrush included, I'm coloring the turtle blue and drawing on waves to make an ocean pattern. There are so many color options available, and you can also mix your own colors using the palette included. Once you're done coloring, clip the bearings and add on stickers to either side. Peel them off and attach it to the bottom of the small turtle and the top of the large turtle shell. Then, place the shell back on and you can spin the tiny turtle on top. This set is so cute and gives you hours of screen-free fun during an arts and crafts date with your friends. If you like to scroll on Pinterest, then you've probably seen these cute little leaf trays. Usually they're made of clay, but I decided to make one out of tinfoil instead. All you need to do is get a piece of tinfoil and flatten it into the shape of a leaf. Once you have the base, use another piece of foil to add on texture and hot glue it on. Cut off the excess edges and use hot glue to add on more of the leaf's texture. Finally, use acrylic paint to color the leaf. I'm using a few shades of pink and green, and also using acrylic paint pens at the end to add on highlights. This leaf tray is super cute, and you can use it to store your jewelry or keys. If you and your best friends are super bored and don't know what to do, why not make matching phone cases? All you need is a phone case that matches each of your phones and stickers to decorate with. I'm going to be using these diamond stickers, but you can also use paint or pens to draw on matching designs. This DIY is super easy and also a really fun idea to try for arts and crafts night. If you really don't know what gift to get for your friend, why not make something for them? All you're going to need is a lot of tissue paper and some candy. Start by cutting the tissue paper into circular shapes. They don't need to be perfect since we're going to make them into flower petals. Get your candy and hot glue a stick to the back of it. Then, get a glass cup and fold the flower petals onto the edges. hot glue each layer together until it's thick enough. Glue on the candy around the edge and cover the bottom with more tissue paper petals. Cut out some leaves and also hot glue it to the bottom. Once you remove it from the glass cup, you'll have a perfect flower with candy in the center. For this next DIY, we're going to make a super fun Tic Tac Toe board. Get some air dry clay and flatten it into a circle. Then, roll out some long ropes of clay and divide the circle into 9 grids. You can also use the back of a paintbrush to blend the clay together. Get some small chunks of clay and make them into your playing pieces. Let this dry overnight and use acrylic paint to design it however you like. I'm coloring the base into a pizza and making the playing pieces into pepperoni and pineapple chunks. By the way, I don't like pineapple on my pizza, but I still think that this is really cute. The next time that your friend comes over, you can pull out your DIY Tic Tac Toe board and invite them to play around with you. If you want to make an old glass cup look new and unique, then this DIY is for you. Wash and dry the glass to make sure that it's clean, then use yellow acrylic paint to color the bottom. For the flower petals, I'm using 3 different shades of purple and painting on ovals. While you're painting the petals, I recommend dipping your paintbrush in all 3 colors, but not actually mixing the paint so that you can get these unique streaks of colors. Wait for the first layer to dry, then do the same for the second layer. Wait for this to dry and use green to add on leaves and a stem. If you look into your glass when you take a sip, you'll now see a super pretty flower. For the last DIY, we're going to make a stress ball using nano tape. Cut out a long strip and lay it flat onto the table. Add on glitter or any other decorations you want, but make sure to keep the edges clear. Fold the tape in half and press down firmly on the edges to seal in the glitter. Finally, blow into the straw to inflate your stress ball. You can add anything inside, but be careful when you play with it, because if you press too hard, then it might pop.